So you've lost all this weight. Now you don't know what to do or how to maintain this weight, and you're trying to figure it out all by yourself. I hope to solve it for you here. And in case you don't know me, my name is Albert Sloss. I'm the owner and CEO of One Shot. We're a coaching organization that works with busy professionals all over the world and have nothing to sell you. A weight loss journey, most people think that they start off at point A from where they're at, they lose all this weight, and that's it, they're done. But that's not really the way it actually works. Whenever we're on this journey, creating an entire transformation, we go through phases. We have fat loss phases, and then we have maintenance phases. So throughout this journey, we will lose weight. We will get to a point that we eventually have to go into maintenance. A fat loss phase can only be a certain period of time before metabolism starts fatiguing out and we start eating way too little, that we need to start priming and rebooting our metabolism. This all depends on how much weight you have to lose. I'm referring maybe to somebody who weighs 300 pounds and they have to get down to 180. That's a long journey. So throughout their journey, they may do this in 50-pound increments, meaning their fat loss phase, they may drop 50 pounds. Now they're 250. They would be in a maintenance phase now. Maybe 3 months, maybe 4 months. It all depends on the individual. After their maintenance phase is done, then they go through another fat loss phase and then they start dropping. You may ask yourself, well, how do I do a maintenance phase? A maintenance phase doesn't mean you're just maintaining your weight. No, a maintenance phase is when we are priming your metabolism, meaning that we are making you eat more food while maintaining this 50 pounds that you just dropped. You may think, well, how is that even possible? Well, you have to be monitored by somebody, because somebody has to be monitoring what you're currently consuming, and someone has to help you gauge your body and how gradual should you be increasing calories over the course of time so that you don't gain fat. This is a very hard part to do alone, so I highly recommend you get somebody who knows what they're doing to be able to do this. So maintenance is done, then we go through another fat loss phase and we drop the next 50 pounds. After we drop that 50 pounds, now we are at 200 pounds. Once we're at 200, we have to go through another maintenance. Same thing, we gotta prime that metabolism, allow your body to adjust and to acclimate at this new weight for a prolonged period of time. Then you're ready for another fat loss phase, and that one may be shorter, maybe 30 pounds, right? Now you're at 170. With that being said, weight loss is not getting from one side to the other. You're not just doing a linear path going all the way down, 150 pounds down. No, it's done in phases. Fat loss, maintenance phases, fat loss and maintenance. And again, what maintenance means is that we are allowing your body to adjust and to acclimate at this new weight, and we're trying to prime your metabolism. The good thing about within maintenance is that you are able to do more weight training to build more skeletal muscle mass, to build more muscle during this phase, because we are in essence consuming more calories during maintenance. Now you may think, well, how do I calculate my calories in maintenance? When it comes to calculating calories in maintenance, having a fitness tracker helps, right? Having an Apple Watch, a Fitbit, some form of fitness tracker that will track your calories will help significantly. We want to know how many calories are we burning at rest. Basically, how many calories do we burn just being alive? The second thing, we want to take into account how many calories do I burn in my regular lifestyle? Waking up, brushing my teeth, walking to my car, walking to my office. Whatever type of lifestyle you have, we want to take into account those calories. And then we want to calculate how many calories do you burn in your workouts. It may be 500. Again, depends on the individual, because we all do different forms of exercise. Some more minimal, some very extreme. So we get those three variables, calculate the amount of calories we are currently burning, and we will consume a close amount to that many calories. That would put us in perfect maintenance, because weight loss is burning more calories than what you're consuming. When we are in maintenance, we are increasing the calories that we're consuming gradually to meet the total amount of calories that we're burning per day. Okay, and that's how we eventually calculate the total maintenance calories of a specific individual. The reason why nobody would be able to give you an exact number of how many calories you should be at for maintenance is because no one has properly consulted with you to find out what is your resting metabolic rate, how many calories you burn at rest, what is your lifestyle, so we could monitor how many calories you're burning throughout just your regular day. How many calories are we burning in your workout? I don't know those answers the same way that nobody else would know until somebody got a fitness tracker on you, can calculate those calories, take into account the inaccuracy from fitness trackers, because not all fitness trackers are 100% accurate. What I've seen in our research and the clients that we're working with is that they are not 100% accurate, and they will overestimate the amount of calories that you're actually burning. Then taking into account what you're logging on your food diary, a lot of times people are logging inaccurately, so they're not getting the actual amount of calories that they think they're getting. Hope that put it into a nutshell for you guys on what maintenance looks like and what the actual journey looks like. And if you guys like this, like, subscribe to our channel, put in the comments on what other types of content you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys on the next one.